If you love grilled cheese sandwiches and pickles, then you're going to want to keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, I'm about to make a grilled cheese pickle sandwich, and it's a little bit of a twist from your regular grilled cheese sandwich. We're going to be adding some pickles and some tomatoes and some bacon, so I thought I'd go ahead and share it with you. So let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, we have some granulated garlic or garlic powder. I have the kosher dill sandwich slices, pickles. I just prefer them on sandwiches and hamburgers, but you can use any dill and slice them if you want. Onion powder, ranch seasoning. I have some sourdough bread. My bread is really small slices, but you can get any, the bigger loaf if you want. I have my Mexican style cheese. Y'all know I love my Mexican style cheese, but you can use whatever cheese you like with grilled cheese. The dill Havarti cheese would work really good with some of this cheese as well. But you can do whatever you want, but this is what I like. I have some cream cheese, butter. Normally I would use a regular tomato and just do a slice, but I didn't want to buy one. I have so many of these little ones here, and I thought this is stupid to buy a whole tomato just to slice for this sandwich. So I'm just going to throw those on there, but normally you just buy a tomato and slice it. We have some paprika and 2 slices of bacon. I am only making one sandwich with this, but I will have the recipe for 2 sandwiches in the description box below, so make sure you check it out if you want the whole recipe. So let's go ahead and make our sandwich. Alrighty, so my 2 ounces of cream cheese, and I forgot to mention, I had my 2 slices of pickle all wrapped up in paper towels, getting all the excess juice off of it, because we don't want that in our grilled cheese. So we're going to go ahead and add in a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and paprika. This just gives it an extra kick. And then we're going to add in a tablespoon of the ranch seasoning. And now we're just going to mix this together really well. You can use a blender if you want. I just didn't feel like dragging it out for 2 ounces. But if you're making more than just one grilled cheese, then obviously the blender would be the way to go. And if you don't like garlic, you can eliminate the garlic. Or onion, you can eliminate the onion. You can substitute with a little bit of pepper and salt if you want. Okay, there we go. Does that look good? Alright, I'm going to put that aside. And then, alright, so I have a tablespoon of butter. I'm going to go ahead and melt that real quick because we're going to put that on the outside of our bread. Alrighty, so I have my 2 slices of bread here. And I'm going to go ahead and spread this on. Yum. This actually pretty much would make 2, this little mixture here. I think you could definitely get 2 out of it. Unless you want to go, you want to go a little bit thicker on it. So I guess 1 would work. And have left. Alrighty. Okay. Alrighty. Looks good already. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go ahead and lay my pickles on here. Flip it that way. And then I'm going to lay my tomato. I went ahead and just cut them in quarters. I'm going to add my bacon. Just like that. And then I'm going to top it with cheese. Okay, I'm going to put this on top, just like that. And then I'm going to take my butter that I melted, and I'm just going to rub that on the top. And then when I put it in the pan, I'm going to put it this side down and then put the rest of the butter on. So let's go ahead and move over to our pan. Alrighty, we're going to turn our pan on. I'm just using the pan I cooked my bacon in, so I don't have to dirty another one. Alrighty, so we're going to take our sandwich. And you can put this together in the pan if you want. That'll work as well. Because it will fall apart when you pick it up. Where's my butter? I lost my, oh, right in front of my face. Of course, I'm sprinkling a little bit of cheese on there that I have left. There we go. Alright, I got a mess here. So we're going to let this cook a little bit on low, because we don't want to burn our grilled cheese, and then we'll flip it. Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and flip her over. Get my cheese that's cooking. Oh, my bacon fell off. We'll put her back on when we flip. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Yum. Now let's get all that out. Put this back on. I should have used a bigger pan is what I should have done, but I was being lazy. You know, I didn't want to dirty another pan. It's that simple. I'm just going to leave him off. It's that simple. I was being lazy as all get out. Let's get it in the middle. Squish it down. There we go. Alrighty, just let that cook for a minute or two, and then we'll go ahead and do our taste test. Alrighty, I think we are about ready. Let's go ahead and take her out. Get that. And do our taste test. Alrighty, there you have it. There'll be an up-close picture at the end. Does that look delicious? So let's go ahead and do a quick taste test. Oof. The pickle on top. Mmm. Oh my goodness. It was so good. Oh my goodness. Mm-hmm. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. Mmm. It's so good. So friends, that'll do it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, go ahead, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.